Ashley. So today I am gonna clean out my closet. It has always been my dream to have a walk-in closet, which is why the moment I moved into this place, I wanted to transform a part of the room into that. And I just did. But over time, it could get a bit messy. Actually, not a bit. It could get messy and unorganized. So for this video, I'll be needing some hangers, cleaning materials, shoe cleaning kit, and some organizers. And actually guys, before ECQ, dapat bibili na ako ng mga cabinets and additional organizers. But then, this lockdown happened and I couldn't go out. And nahirapan kasi ako, parang walang lalagyanan yung mga gamit ko. And ayoko talagang naka-expose sila, except yung mga damit ko. I wanted to hang up all of my clothes kasi gusto ko sila makita. Feeling ko pag nakikita ko, mas magagamit ko kaysa yung nakatago sila sa cabinet. Para hindi sayang yung mga clothes. But right now, I'm just gonna use whatever I have and try to organize and clean everything. So the first step is sort things out. I'll be having a donate, sell, and keep piles. And honestly, I want to be kind of ruthless to myself on this part because I've been like online shopping these past few days because I wanted to revamp my closet, and that's gonna be for another video. Please do watch out for that. Pero kasi feeling ko medyo nag-iiba na yung style ko, and I really wanna put some of my clothes into good hands by donating them or selling them. Batch numero uno would be some of my pink clothes that I hung up. This is actually one of my favorites talaga. This is what it looks like. It says, God save the queen at the back. And I super love this one. There's no way I am gonna sell this. Sabi ba't ganon? Puro keep naman. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, I'm gonna be ruthless. Do I need this? And this one, I'm gonna use it. Actually, may tag pa siya. I'm gonna keep this. Oh my gosh, ang fail ang video na to. Inukay ko to guys. Alam niyo ba, 10 pesos lang to? Actually, I'm seeing something. This is kind of unique. I bought this sa Ukay. 10 pesos rin, guys. Ang ganda niya, di ba? Chanel. Oh my gosh, ang bougie. Meron pa siyang chain dito. Like, wow. So, ang lakas niya maka-Chanel. Cute. Ay, hala, kasya pala siya sa... Hindi, medyo oversized. The first batch was a fail. I'm keeping everything. This is the second batch. Ito naman, ito yung sinuot ko nung meet and greet. I'm gonna keep this. I am gonna donate this. Okay, I am gonna sell this one. Okay, this one for sure, I'm gonna sell it. Sa kalimutan ko, may ganito pala ako. Ito, kakabili ko lang. I'm just gonna donate. This one, I'm gonna keep. Fancy. This one is also thrifted. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, sobrang hilig ko talaga mag-thrift. Yung mga clothes ko, mostly kung hindi galing sa mga online shop, thrifted talaga. Ganda kasi ng mga damit sa Ukay kasi wala kang kagaya. And there's like a wide variety of clothing and style. Darling, sure, I've never worn it because I don't know, I don't have any reason to wear it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna sell it. I'll be donating this. I am gonna donate this. I've worn this once, but I'm gonna sell it now. Oh, I remember this. Ito yung ginamit ko ng lookbook. But I am gonna sell it now. Oh my gosh! Sobrang memorable. Yung first ever sponsorship na natanggap ko sa channel na to is Uniqlo. Isa to sa mga damit na nakuha ko. So, I'm gonna keep. Grabe, ba't gano'n? Sobrang sentimental kong tao. Hindi ko siya mapamigay. Ko to sa mga dates. Like, ilang dates ito yung suot ko. That's it. I'm gonna be ruthless to myself, guys. So, I'm gonna donate it. Oh my gosh! Have you guys seen me wear this? Wow! I'm gonna keep that. Classy, bougie. Grabe, ang daming-dami. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep it. Alright guys, so we are done with that part. We are now here sa drawer cabinet ko. Donate. Donate. This one, I'm gonna sell it. Oh. This one, sell. Keep. Oh, do you guys remember this? Yung copying na illustrate outfit. No, actually, I'm gonna sell this na lang. No? Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. May ganito pala ako. Cute. I think I'm gonna sell this na. This is cute. I've never worn this. I'm gonna keep it. Ooh, bougie. I'm gonna keep all of these. I am gonna sell this. Oh, I'm gonna keep this, of course. So now, we will be moving on to my bottoms. Up po bottom, jeans. Ito, if is reflip ko to, Pero hindi na natuloy-tuloy. White shorts, an essential. This one, I'm gonna donate. Keep. Actually, maayos na yung drawer na to eh. Ba't ko ba ginugulo? Anong bala ko sa buhay ko? Next step is cleaning, which is my favorite part! When your crush says, gusto ko yung masipag. I know.
I'll see you at the...
I know! Not anymore, right? I'm gonna sweep the upper part of this one too.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
So we are now in day 2 of cleaning my closet. Out of all the things in my closet, ito yung pinakamabilis na ma-disorganize, like magulo talaga. Kasi wala akong magandang storage for all my accessories. Like, I only have one jewelry box or organizer. I kind of fit everything in there. And then, I finally found these online. It's basically like a necklace tray. Actually, yung necklace talaga yung pinaka-nahirapan ako i-organize kasi nagtatangle-tangle sila. Parang mas maganda kasi yung storage na may takip talaga. And ang ganda kasi parang glass siya. So, you can like peek through the necklaces that you stored in here. Although this one only has 18 slots. But anyway, siguro i-organize ko muna yung mga favorite necklaces ko. Honestly, there's so much joy whenever I fix like this jewelry box kasi parang medyo nagiging senti ako or emo kasi before I didn't have this amount of accessories. Like, naalala ko, isa lang yung pair ng earrings ko noon and then I had one bracelet and everything like that. So, whenever I look at this, parang natutuwa ako kasi puro bigay ito, guys. Ng mga online shops, it's either bigay or yung iba binili ko. Kaya whenever I post fashion content, as much as possible, gusto ko yung parang relatable siya sa mga students who are on a budget. Kasi, I don't know, I've been there. Like, before naman ako mag-YouTube and kumita dito, ganun din naman ako. So, gusto ko, binibigyan ko kayo ng mga alternative na pag, kunyari, on a budget kayo, you could still look fashionable. May it be through thrifted clothes or like yung mga nabibili sa mga online shop or Shopee or Lazada, ganun. So, yeah. And also, na-realize ko, tong video na to, parang pinapakita ko pala lahat ng mga stuff ko. This video is not meant to brag at all, but I really just wanna declutter with you guys para man-motivate rin kayo to do the same. This quarantine kung bored man kayo. If ayusin ko yung closet ko, might as well clean my shoes, right? I want to do everything by myself. So, let's go start. Honestly, guys, I don't have a storage yet for all my shoes, which is why they're like under the shelves that I showed you guys a while ago. And actually, this is my sneaker collection already, and it's not that big of a collection compared to others, but I'm really happy, and I'm more of a parang clothes person rather than a sneakerhead. So, these are my sneakers, and yung iba lalabang ko na, guys, like ito talaga. Actually, ito, dalawa yung ganyan ko, pero bumili akong bago kasi feeling ko wala na itong pag-asa. Puro mga heels and flats ko yung nilagay ko dito. Welcome to my bathroom with such an unflattering lighting because I only have one light bulb here. So I am gonna clean all my shoes. No, like some of my shoes. It says in the instruction that I have to get 100 ml of water, but I don't have any measuring instrument right now, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. I can't open it. And then I grab the brush. Alright, let's first start with my favorite pair of Converse. I know it looks embarrassing and gross, but my papa told me if yung Converse mo, it looks beat up. It looks more classic that way. Well, obviously it looks gross. But I'd like to think that that is a social construct because I like my shoes looking clean and new and white. I'm sorry, Papa, I am cleaning this. And meron din siyang kasamang spray so that your shoes would smell all clean and fresh. And I really love the smell. It smells like bubble gum. I'll be arranging all my clothes. I'll be arranging them by color. I'll be folding them. Although that's the part that I drag the most. So this is the amount of clothes that we will be selling or donating. So high five. Give me a high five. Nice team.
I arranged my clothes according to color, and then after that, I proceed to arranging them by kind. Like I gather the long sleeves top, short sleeves, crop top, and so on. And here's me folding all my clothes, and pardon my eyeglasses, ang luwag niya na. But anyway, ito yung reality. Sobrang distracted ko sa phone ko, kaya ako natatagalan.
Alright, so for my bottoms drawer, I will be doing the KonMari method so that I would see all of my stuff na nakastore dito, hindi yung parang nakapatong sila sa isa't isa. And yung ganito kasing storage, nakakalimutan ko na may ganun pala akong pantalon kasi nasa baba. Guys, look at the sunset while I'm fixing this. It's so pretty. Oh, hello.
Hi, can you give us a closet tour?
Yeah, sure, come in. Guys, welcome to my closet. So I turned this room into my closet. Although originally, or supposed to be, it should be a bedroom. Pero ginawa ko siyang walk-in closet because, again, it has always been my dream to have a walk-in closet. So let's start here first. Okay, I have this like gold arch mirror. Dati, meron ako yung parang rectangular siya na mirror. Pero parang mas nagustuhan ko to. I replaced it because I think it fits the whole aesthetic. So yeah, and then I do have a plant here. This one's a real one. His name is Seiko. I just named her now. Then over here we have my vanity table. Believe it or not, ito na lahat yung makeup ko sa drawer na to. As in, kasha sila sa isang drawer. But right now, I'm not gonna give you guys a vanity tour. Again, this is a closet tour. But I would love to do one. If you guys want, please do comment down below. And I do have here my OG neon light. It says my favorite Bible verse. So these are all my necklaces. Come here, come here. As you guys can see, I organized that with you. And then I do have like a vase or vase here that holds all my scrunchies. I organized this with you guys. So, alam niyo na yan. And then, over here, I have some of my shades, yung mga ginagamit ko palagi. And then here, yung mga bracelets and watch ko. I tried my best to arrange them by color, not by kind, because I think it's more neat that way, para mas organized siya tignan. Kasi yung kunyari, all crop tops, all dresses. That's not everything in my closet. I actually hide some boxes over here that you guys can see. I do have this organizer for all my hair accessories. I do have quite a fun obsession with clips and some headbands here and random hair color brushes. Ito yung mga random bells ko, like random color. And then I do have here my black and white belts as well. Yan, iba-iba sila. And then at the back, I do have like a poster. Sean drew this nung meet and greet ko. Pero originally ito siya. But then he drew like his own version of it. Now we move on to the drawers. What's inside the drawers? So ito yung laman niya. The t-shirts, crop tops, sleeveless tops, my tube tops, everything's in here. And over here, I have my bottoms, like all my jeans, plaid pants, and colorful pants. I do have them there. Ito yung mga workout clothes ko, and more bottoms, like leggings, shorts, pants, skirts, everything is there. And then last but not the least would be my bags. This is where I keep all my handbags. And these are all my shoes. Nilaban ko sila nung nag-declutter din ako. So yeah, that's about it for my closet tour. Again, hindi pa ito yung final. Like, I have a lot more things to add. But it was fun decluttering with you guys and giving you a tour of my closet. Again, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you on my next. Bye!
Listen to my heart go ride, ride, ride,